How to check coupon code in OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to check the coupon code, you need to go to your settings. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see the menu option. Tap on it. Once you're in this menu page, select this other option over here. Next up, tap on this promo option. Once you're in this promo page, here in this extra section, you can see this promo code check option. Tap on it. Now from here, you can check the coupon code if it is valid or not. Tap on this field, enter the coupon code. Once you enter the coupon code precisely, you can tap on this check button. So that's it. That's how you can easily check coupon code in OneXBet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.